Hello, Launceston! The crew just arrived in Launceston and we're leaving! Bye, Launceston!
Fuck you, Launceston!
What the fuck?
We're
We're heading to the... Oh, nice view! Look at that!
What view? Those are just trees. Man.
Trees, mate!
Trees.
There's no trees in my hometown like that, of course.
I'm just bitter because I want to stay here. I want to stay a night here. But we can't. I hate this.
Pwede naman itong balik dito mo.
Yep. So,
Okay.
the fuck? Okay, here we go. Okay.
No, 2 hours.
So, yeah, we're heading to the lavender fields because we're feeling kind of girly. We want to check out the lavenders. Yeah, boy.
He's feeling girly all the time. All
Yeah.
the time.
So, and then we'll be hitting the Bay of Fires for the beach. A beach bum here. He's gonna put on a lotion all his muscles and then...
No muscles, man.
No muscles? Oh, okay. So he's just gonna strip there naked in the beach and hope that he doesn't get fined or get caught or something. But yeah, we'll be heading there. And by the way, what are these? The squirms, yeah, they're good for traveling. Check it out.
Just don't tell my trainer.
Yeah, we're not telling his straight PT, his
Trainer.
trainer, yeah, whatever. Or he's getting squirms. You're not getting squirms, right? Want some more?
Don't
Want
swear.
some more? Want some more? Want some more? Want some more?
Thanks, Ray.
Not telling his trainer that he's getting some squirms because it's bad for him. He's building up his future here.
Roadkill.
So guess what I got? Dark chocolate lavender ice cream. We're supposed to get lavender ice cream, but looks kind of weird. Looks like I'm eating a flower or something. So I just got this dark chocolate lavender ice cream. Just the dark chocolate that has a bit of light lavender feeling on it, but it's good. On a sunny day, it's great.
Ba't yabag kabante ka man
Hindi lang kayo mga paidlas.
May pawiran mo.
Okay, ero ba tayo?
Look at that. We are not going anywhere. Be careful, make ano.
All the cows are looking at us.
And on the other side, there are the cows.
Piling kape.
All the cows are looking at us, seriously.
They're like,
They follow us.
Ito, sa likod, sa likod.
Don't follow them. They're gonna kill
mato ka
you.
dito. Ba't yabag kabante ka man
Hindi lang kayo mga paidlas.
May pawiran mo.
Okay, ero ba tayo?
Look at that. We are not going anywhere. Be careful, make ano.
All the cows are looking at us.
And on the other side, there are the cows.
Piling kape.
All the cows are looking at us, seriously.
They're like, Pwede yun sumata dito ha.
Pwede na. Go! Ako na zero.
Mata nila ni Abrian no?
Hindi yan sila. Uy, naku, mama ko. Hindi mama
May nalaki na iro.
Okay na iro eh. Murag buwap ka na ng iro. Oh, doon
Tawang
kayo ba?
isa ulay tili sa
Ah, bulls.
padol dami.
Brown bulls.
Kanang doon kita natin nila. Sunod sa iya.
Ayaw kay bulls.
Hindi na siya tawag siya.
Ikaw ba? Ayaw kay bulls.
Ingon, kitawag ko niya.
Sheep. Thinning the herd. Look at that. One of the sheep stomp. Thank you.